So we'll call this period here the Asia open, all right? In other words, this is 8 a.m. Tokyo here. In other words, where your pivots for the day will reset, where your charts will reset, that is the beginning of the trading day. Would you guys agree with that? Some people, I'll get your question just a sec, Georgia. Some people call the beginning of the trading day London. From my perspective, the beginning of the trading day is 8 a.m. Tokyo. All right, for the benefit of this discussion, can we concede that we're going to start with that? Say, David, are you looking, let me scroll up there one sec. Are you looking at other Euro pairs to determine the general trend, or is there another purpose? Well, are you asking, Georgia, are you asking specifically about, well, the Euro is a big part of it. I mean, you can look at a dollar index, but it's really just the inverse of the Euro anyway. I mean, 60% of the DX is the Euro. So if you're looking at, effectively, what are you trading during the course of a day? You're either trading the dollar, you're either trading the yen, or you're trading a base currency of those dollar pairs. So, if the Euro is working, there's no need to really do anything else. But as far as the trend, no, I mean, you can have different trends based on the individual currency for sure. So 8 a.m. Tokyo time is 6 p.m. New York. Okay? So the basic thinking is this in this setup, all right? Our first setup is the Asia continuation trade, all right? And it looks as follows. Sure, Mike. I mean, this is just the way that I was always taught, and it just makes sense to me. And if it's not broken, I'm not going to fix it. Okay? So just work with me, and it'll kind of make a little bit of sense, I think. All right. So let's say that, okay, so what is our objective in the market? Buy low, sell high, right? People told you about this. No, it is 10:15 now. In Tokyo at the moment, it is 12:15 in the morning. I mean, excuse me, in the evening, in the morning. So it's midnight there. Okay. All right, anyway, here we go. All right. So buy low, sell high. Okay, that is independent of trend. All right, so let's say that New York takes you up. Okay. Late New York fades you down. All right. And you open Asia at a 382 to 618 of the previous day's trend. What do you think is about to happen when the Asia traders walk into the desk and sit down to trade? What do you think is about to happen here? Correcto. Okay, you're about to see this continue. Right, so this would be New York. This is sort of late New York. I'm talking like after the close into, we'll put you at late New York. This is sort of after the close into Asia, that kind of little period. All right, Asia opens at support. You're going to make a little higher low and continue up. All right, and this will generally occur between sort of 6 and 7:30 Eastern. All right, this zone here. And price will continue up for a couple of hours. All right? Then what you're likely to get is this sort of at about midnight Eastern. Okay, this is when I start coaching. You get about an hour's lull right here. All right? Then you will generally get a continuation of the Asia trend here. All right? And then if you open London, so this is pre-London here, pre-London being from about midnight Eastern, so from 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. London time. All right? And then let's say you now open open London at the highs, London open up here. What do you think's about to happen for London here? This is irrespective of trend. Yeah, I mean, exactly. So you're a London trader, you look at this and you're like, well, I don't want to buy high. Okay, if you break resistance up here, sure, you're going to catapult into the stratosphere. But if you high, chances are, I mean, not if you high, you know what I mean, if the market's high or whatever, chances are it's going to sell back down to support, is it not? Okay? At which point, you know, New York will come in here and go, well, the trend was down for the day, however we're at support to the previous day, and you'll get this sort of thing a little bit, and then it'll sort of define a direction, right? And you'll get a little bit of chop here as the New York and London traders will come back from lunch and figure some stuff out. But don't worry about that for now. Okay? Our whole focus on this setup is this one right here. New York takes you up, late New York fades you down to the Asia Open, and you get a continuation. You will see this trade set up 2 to 3 times a week.